abusua mu bi akwaba e de ba akroma TVGH so yaw amo minsa ene midin enche bia na onumunyafo GDM wode beto Ghana mountain eso se onya kwan e betra Ghana banua ne so bi mu a wode eye agenda bi ana policy bi ebeba na policy no wato din se 24-hour economy ene se yebeye adwuma no pa awia ene anadwo de sium yina 24/7 just economy no just bibia ebekoso totan nti eba ne sa ebeboa ama eye Ghana mabun ene obibiala anya adwuma ayo na se me fan say yawo mo minsa na nka makwakoje kwaye bi na se me do a eye onumunyamfo GDM obepela tabaho na chese bibia ye kama na matimi aye adwuma se de bibia ebekototen na sansem we beto Ghana mountain so obi se obetimi obi se ontumi obi se we na social commentator eye onumunyamfo Allotey enka ni bi no na woye Central Regional Chairman Edema eye achinye amanyuko NDC wode na no ababeto mu a wo chese eye onumunyamfo GDM ne nsem a okeka no ema mo mfa ne serious eye anwa na woto agu Ghana fo ani no kure biala inim ontimi enye didi na woye nti ebe ya nka mombo ni gala we mo probi na mo accept no na mato abama no wono ane onumunyamfo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na obetimi ede Ghana chese asi babi a eye na oto aso eka se lithium a chese Ghana yenya no eye atadwopa ya tede popopa ebeboa ama eye Ghana yenye ska bibiri na onumunyamfo na nakufo ado na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so omaboa ama eye mabudu no chese obi biala anya dwuma aye kama mempese mensam no be yebusrim kantine beko na yakwakuti nsem a onumunyamfo Allotey wode eto Ghana mountain eso.
Okay, that's all.
I know in the political space,
yes,
it is just for noise making. I call it fatal attraction, and that is what Ghanaians and other political parties are not seeing. And Mahama has done well by putting this 24-hour economy, so-called economy, onto the landscape for us all to discuss. Until you know, and all the next will be directed to
24-hour economy.
No, it will be directed to
Mahama,
former President Mahama.
Yes.
So he becomes an icon within a boiling water. Come on.
To be talk of town.
The one is our connection here.
That's right.
Until Oma, then all eyes will be focused on your mama. Until no miss all your fatal attraction.
Mate.
But nothing is out of it. But let me talk about
yes,
this issue.
Lithium.
No, lithium is about
okay.
That's
a premise for.
Yeah. I must confess on your platform.
Yes.
Since the inception of Ministry of Fisheries,
Central Regional Chairman,
there hasn't been a minister that has been up to the task of managing the fishing sector than our Kunsi has done so well, very, very, very well for the fishing industry, and she's bold. Yeah, Chinese companies here, trawlers now. There are a lot with 6 Wunyawa licenses. She has brought cycle down. You can't believe it. You can't bribe her. She's done so well, and the last of it, only the what the premix dispenser were computerized within. All the canoes in the fishing communities in here, catalog they have created a data for them. Yama workers no why today national identification card.
Yes.
Say in Libya you can't go for premix. Because previous is like now like a filling station.
That's right.
As it used to be. But then it wasn't controlled because it has become a political weapon. There, every party in power, new members are setting up as previous committee. Until you see people filling drums and selling them sideways and increasing. I spoke about it from 2014 and I'll speak about it. It is one arena. It is more than that. I'm saying.
Chairman Edema
NDC Wabedo the same. Since MPP Wabedo the same. Since you worry you want one by one. But the problem now,
yes,
is the how for the Ministry of Finance to be paying BDCs. One I want to what I do use store one facilities what they manufacture premix. And there's a heavy subsidy in the premix. I have money to me. But that is an albatross on the neck of every government that will come to power. Because if you look at the poverty of fishermen in the fishing community,
yes,
look, you have a big heart for them. See, Aban Mama saying the finance ministry should try, like the deputy minister was saying.
Yes,
finance ministry is trying to solve that problem. They should do it as quickly as possible, because if by February, March, ministry need to stabilize supply of premixer, it is a danger for them. I'm using this platform to tell the ministry, the minister, as well as government, as well as finance ministry. Since there are two companies, Mahama, Maranatha, one is was supply premix, and if you have just two companies doing that, you know what is involved. And see, they have done so well, extraordinary well.
Okay,
but they should keep it up, making sure the supplier are in large quantity. As for lithium, they were then bosom. Lithium or the baby. My brother,
Central Regional.
Lithium was like a bosom. In the whole of Central, you have a lot in Central. Biwa, Nyamransa, Kobinansa, Wakrom, Ovendo, Oti, my village, Oti, even to Winnipeg. On that stretch, you have this lithium. Why you bosom or the one on the lithium professors, no doctors, no politicians, no engineers. In Sama, lithium no what it is. Ghanaians, people just get up and say anything. That's what we did to Kwame Nkrumah's 365 factories. Everybody knows everything. That is how we live in Ghana. Do we have a future if you have a country like this? If you have a future, let us start doing something, and let's give us it's like we don't have expert negotiators, and then people who can go and sit down and do some kind of engineering on contracts in agreements. But everybody gets up and say anything anyhow. I'm not happy about the workers and issues that are out there, lithium contract and just people don't know lithium now when you mortar. Even in my farm, my farm, more lithium. I have lithium in my farm.
In your own farm?
My own farm. Now, me say there. Once I have bought those acreage of land or one, I want allow government to come inside.
Why see?
Because me do the nkube na nyama pia be na say. I want, but lithium is in my farm.
But natural resource be a from be one him say.
Yeah, me know I abandon.
That's right. But the one can say, "Uma bank price up back to no."
But that is where we will sit down and negotiate.
Oh, okay. Proper.
I mean, matter.
Okay.
I've registered it
in your name.
Lands Commission.
That's right.
And most I didn't say we don't know. Yeah, but one of Google Legon, Kumasi Legon, Tamale Legon, but when you have an icon in mining, oh yeah, Dr. Sam Jonah, an icon in mining coming out telling you that look, it is best for Ghana. So let's start from somewhere. Look at Ghanaians. It's like if I'm not in power, Ghana should not succeed. That's what we are doing. Now, there, Kwame Nkrumah pa, what friend Kwame Nkrumah? Ogodu baby, I was there and isn't boy Kwame. no you kofi nso you kofi nguloma but the meyediti ya yin na yezebo do them. So when are we going to succeed? And there are thousands of unemployed graduates. These professors in there one go to the way na wama we produce one bogu job market they are not thinking about that there. If a mining company start mining, at least there are a lot of Ghanaians who will be employed. So that in the contractual agreement, we should tell the foreigner, Australian, you know, but look, we will allow you to mine if you can take about.
Now, Omeadeshe, same say na Ulmunyafo Allotey Jacobs. What they eto Ghana mountain so wabashi ulmunyanfo JD and papa just say enye afidiagro social commentator aden Mahama wa yawo den wasi obi biara to be enyim free eye NDC amayuko ni mu onu ana just say why retire ne ho afri NDC ni mu Allotey Jacob onimade pa ye ka se amanyo sema papa etiase papa mitie ni bia na mani ade papa enye afidiagro abusuama ye hu adwenkyere e wo comment section no ase ha Akroma TV GH so yaw amo aminsa enimidi me na mekenkan edema mo a chese mo so munya bi etieye e wo mo akachi makra mo